Can I drive a rental car from San Diego to San Francisco? Yes, you can drive a rental car from San Diego to San Francisco. Here's what you need to know for a one-way trip. You'll need to bring a valid United States photo ID and a full physical driver's license. The license must have been held for at least 1 year, with no major violations. International travelers need a valid passport, a full physical driver's license held for at least 1 year, and an international driving permit. Alternatively, an English translated license or one written in the Roman alphabet may be accepted. Next, vehicle options for one-way rentals from San Diego to San Francisco include small cars, SUVs, and premium vehicles. One-way fees vary, but you can expect them to fall within a moderate range. Recommended models are the Honda Fit, BMW 2 Series, and Honda CR-V. Additionally, save on refueling by filling up near the drop-off location. Keep your last fuel receipt as proof of refueling to avoid extra charges. And San Francisco offers metered parking, with daily rates around $10 to $40. Use parking apps like Spot Hero or ParkWiz to find affordable options. Plan for tolls like the Golden Gate Bridge fee, which ranges from moderate to slightly high. Setting up a fast-track account can help you save time and simplify toll payments. Moreover, this journey highlights the Pacific Coast Highway, with breathtaking ocean views, and stops like Santa Monica and Monterey. Rental centers in San Diego often operate from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Complimentary shuttles are available every 10 minutes from the airport terminals. In San Francisco, parking can be expensive, but planning ahead with parking apps can help find affordable options near your drop-off location. Alright, we just covered the key considerations for one-way rentals. Here are some summarized tips to keep in mind. First, remember that many rental companies charge a fee for one-way rentals. Be sure to check this cost before finalizing your booking to avoid surprises. Second, make sure there are rental offices at both your starting point and destination. This ensures a smooth pickup and drop-off experience. Next, confirm if your rental includes unlimited mileage or if there are restrictions. This will help you plan better for your journey. Moreover, check if there are any geographic restrictions on your rental. Some contracts may limit travel across certain regions. Lastly, booking ahead of time is key for one-way rentals. This ensures availability and may also offer better prices. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic time. And happy driving on your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and leave your questions in the comments below. See you next time.